The Department of Labor predicts that 65% of today's elementary school children will end up in jobs that haven't been created yet. As a media and educational technology instructor, that really makes me think about what I should be teaching my students. Memorized facts will evolve, change, or become obsolete. I need to show my students lasting concepts and ideas that will guide and teach them how to learn throughout their life, not just fading technology tools and apps. Educational technology can be a powerful source in accomplishing this goal. It combines many concepts such as collaboration, sharing, personalization, self-expression, community, participation, and transparency. Nowhere is educational technology reaching and transforming more students than in the Media Center. Media Centers provide a lot of services. Educational technology enables these services to reach more users in more places. Media Centers need to engage, innovate, and participate in technologies that foster community and collaboration. Libraries must meet their users' expectation if they want to continue to exist. Media Centers should not implement technology simply for technology's sake. They need to invest in educational technology concepts that will endure over time, not necessarily a specific piece of software or online application. Databases are an example of this. Concepts such as limiters and subject searches can be transferred and used in all databases. Advanced searching concepts can result in more manageable and relevant search results. Once learned, these concepts can be applied to all online searching for work, school, and life. Media Centers must begin to realize that there is a human aspect to technology. Technology is a tool for helping people interact with one another. Media Centers should initiate and ensure that students have access and use social software and networking. This allows students to collaborate in real time with the METI, teacher, and each other. It encourages networking not only within the school, but also with each other around the world. Blogs help bring a human aspect to the Media Center experience. They humanize the library. They allow for the METI to communicate and interact with users and colleagues in new ways. They allow for the focus to be on content and not the process. Wikis and online collaboration provide ways for students to talk and share with limited knowledge of technical process. Web and research concepts will carry on, but technology processes and applications will change. How will Media Center stay current? By allowing the user to determine what technologies are relevant. Ask students, observe students, give them the tools, and let them build what they need by themselves.